Alright guys, now the Ninja here for Redstone Geniuses overviewing this slight monstrosity. Just a little bit. This is a numerical recorder slash adder. So here we have 4 lamps, 4 levers, a long row of decoders, I guess you could say, all leading into this dark gray bit, which decodes and cancels out. It only allows the right number through the system, and it's displayed right here. So let's go ahead and let's put in 2. So after a little bit, we get 2. So it doesn't light up the previous ones, it just lights up the one that's activated. It does lag a little bit because there's a lot of repeaters. It has to work that way, or at least as compact as I've made it. So we can add 3. We'll flip the 3, and yeah, easily resettable. Now it's going to display 1. There we go. Nope. There we go. Yeah, 1. And obviously flicking all of them will give us a 4. So yeah, works with any and all combinations. Is a bit laggy to update, but it does work just fine. Alright, so let's go over it. So first off, if you have watched C&B Minecraft's videos before, you should recognize this. This is from his 4 input decoder, or not decoder, password block. Except I modified the inputs and made them into levers. So yeah, it's just a row of repeaters that turns off torches all the way down the line. And that's it. I had to bridge it here because I accidentally duplicated one of the 2 combos. Accidentally duplicated this one, the middle 2. Changed terrain, but my device somewhere in this world takes care of that. And let's go over it. So the red inputs, or the red circuits, those are 1 lever pulled. These ones are 2 lever pulled, 3 lever pulled, and 4 lever pulled. So yeah, this is pretty simple. It's just torch turning off and on, and it runs into a block with a torch on it. So let's flick 2 in. So we're actually going to get several outputs right here. So first off, it's detecting 2 1s, 1 2, which is the correct one, and that's it. So it's only correcting that. And if we add an input, it'll just add. So it's detecting a 3, multiple 2s, and 3 1s. So how are we going to get rid of those excess components, because it's only supposed to be displaying 3? Well, we use this little gray bit here, and I actually have just an individual piece right here. So this is a custom designed input canceling device. Basically how this works is that it upon receiving an input, it powers repeaters. And well, it doesn't power this repeater, it just powers down the line, and that does that. And if this line is powered, it cancels this output. So that's pretty neat. So you can just link multiple of these to a gigantic chain pattern, I suppose, and it just cancels down the line and selects the correct output, which is up here. So here we go. It's the orange output, and obviously this works for all of them. So I do 4, it'll turn each and every one of these off, but this will cancel every last one of them, because that's how this device operates. So that's custom designed. I've used it in my text to binary, my binary to text decoder and encoder, and some other stuff. So outputs is just a line of redstone into an area of this display. 4 and 2 outputs power the bottom, 3 and 1 outputs power a torch that power the individual lamps here. So running all the way down, we have the red line, which goes over. I think this looks kind of cool. It's just different colors of wool. It's kind of running on the side. They look like wires, which is good because I wanted them to. I like redstone devices that perform well but also look kind of neat, which is why I like multicolored ones. So that's about it. Trying to think here. You have to have the torches here, because otherwise this would be on when it's supposed to be off, and vice versa. So yeah, it works with all possible inputs. That would have been really embarrassing if it just popped up as a 3 or something. But no, I've tested this. It works with every last one of them. And I can look at my torches, and they also tell me. So yeah, this was just a kind of fun project. I actually built it a while back, but I didn't have the correct system to cancel inputs, and I redug this up on like 2 days ago, and I just kind of thought to myself, I can finish this now. So I did. I added this, and then wired up everything to a display here, and it's done. So I can now add. Just pretty neat. I've never been able to add before in my whole life. So yeah, that's my new decoder system, and thanks for watching.